Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we will learn the clipping mask tool in the Adobe Illustrator and some of the basic tools by drawing the honeybee. So let's start. So first of all, we will draw the lips. So we will use the pen tool. We can use it by pressing the P button, or we can simply select the icon, place the first point, then place another point and drag the cursor so that we can create a curve shape. Then press the enter to release the button. So here you can see our one shape has been drawn. Now we will select the none color for fill and we will increase the stroke to 4, or we can increase a bit more so that the lines on the body area of the honeybee can be visible easily. So we will copy paste these lines. We will increase the size as per the shape of the lips. So as you can see that we have drawn the required lines. So what we will do the clipping mask technique here so that all the lines can be merged to the lips and the lines outside the lips can be trimmed. We will go to the layers by pressing F7. So first of all, we need to place the ellipse, which is the main body of the honeybee, above the lines. As you can see that now our main body is above the lines area. So we will select all the objects by dragging the mouse above the required layers to be selected. So now right click on the selected area and click make clipping mask. So as you can see that we have got required shape. So we will select the yellow color for this time, and also for the face area we again select the yellow color. So now we will draw the eyes. So we will select the lips tool by simply pressing the icon of the ellipse tool, or we can select the ellipse tool by pressing the L key from the keyboard. So we will draw the eye. So we want it to be behind the big eye. So what we do, we will open the layer section by pressing the F7 and simply drag and drop it above the smaller eye section. So here you can see that now a big eye is above the smaller eye. So now we will draw the pupil of the eye. So for this we need to fill the black color. So we will select the selection tool by pressing the icon, or we can select it by pressing the V button from the keyboard. So in this way we can fill the black color. So we can copy paste it to the another eye. So now we will do the shading for the body area. We will go to the gradient on the right side, and here we will select the Freeform gradient. as you can see that we are unable to fill gradient in this shape, as this is the shape created by the clipping mask. So we need to create one more shape similar to this for the fill effects. So we will go to the layer section again. Here we will open the ellipse. So we will copy the ellipse. So for that we need to create a new layer. So now we will select the ellipse and press the Alt key and drag and drop it to the new layer. So as you can see that now our ellipse is copied to the another layer. We will fill the gradient in the newly created ellipse. So now we'll select the ellipse and select the gradient. Again, Freeform gradient, and we will get the point which we have created. So double click this point and select the orange tone color and continue to draw the line. Press the escape button to release the line. Now again go to the line and click bit lower to the earlier drawn line. Double click the point and now select the yellow color and continue to draw. The line for the perfect gradient. Release the tool by pressing escape button from the keyboard. We have got the gradient, but gradient is a bit bluish from the bottom area. To fix this, we will again draw the line. So we have got the perfect gradient. Now we need this gradient to be below the shape created earlier. So for that we will again press the F7 to open the layer menu and we will drag this layer to the bottom area and we will select the ellipse tool which we have temporarily filled and make it transparent. As you can see that our gradient is not appearing properly because curved lines are filled with yellow color. To fix this issue, press and hold Shift key and select this round button against all the paths. So all the lines has been selected, and go to the fill color and select none. So now we will draw the antenna of the honeybee. So we will again select the pen tool by pressing P button from the keyboard or selecting the icon from the tool menu. So simply click the first point and while clicking the second point, drag the mouse and press the enter to release the tool. As you can see that we are getting the fill color with 8. So we select it none. So we will copy and paste the shape for the another antenna and make it a bit smaller than the earlier and change the direction by rotating it a bit. And we can also change the curve shape by selecting the direct selection tool from the tool menu, or we can select this tool by pressing the A button from the keyboard. So we want these shapes to be behind the eyes of the honeybee. So again, for that, go to the layers, and we can also do this from our keyboard by pressing the control button with the open square bracket. So it is moving backward one by one. So now we will draw the mouth of the honeybee, which requires some tricks. To make it more attractive, select the arc and go to the stroke and select the profile like this. Same thing do for this little arc. So it is looking a bit good. So to fix this corner, we will go to the width tool and increase the size. It looks better. We select the body and go to the stroke. Select 2 points weight. But to make it more attractive, select the width tool. Zoom the upper portion and make it a bit thicker than the lower area, and reduce the lower area. So this is looking good. Now we will make wings of the honeybee. That, again select the pen tool, press the P button from the keyboard, start creating the wings. So after drawing the wings, select both the wings and fill it to white color. Draw lines. Zoom the area. And make it thicker from the bottom area and sharp from the top area. So now we will make the sting of the honeybee and fill it to black. Select all the components of the second wing by dragging on all the components and press Ctrl G. When you press Ctrl G, all the components of the second wing will be grouped to one single layer, as you can see that. So create a new layer and drag this second wing to the new layer and now drag and drop this new layer below the body area. So last thing, we need to draw its hand. So again use the pen tool for this. So now we will fill the hands with the yellow color. So for this, another technique to fill, press the I button from the keyboard and copy the face color. But as you can see that it copied the stroke also, so we'll make it a bit thin so that it looks good. We'll copy this hand. We'll make it a bit smaller because it is on the other side. So cute honeybee we have created. We can give final touch to the wings with the width tool to make it more attractive. So if you have any query related to this video, please ask me in the comment section. I will surely reply all of your queries. So if you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet in the next video.